right, so I'm going to demonstrate a lateral raise. You can do these with dumbbells. You can do 2 at a time or 1 at a time. If you haven't done them before, start off with 1 at a time. I do suggest a mirror placed in front of you. So when I'm standing with my feet shoulder width apart. My shoulders are rolled back. If you notice, I keep doing this, right? Because I don't want to be here and I don't want to be up at my ears. I want to be rolled back, nice and relaxed. My chin is comfortably away from my chest so that I'm breathing, my spine is correctly placed. When I go to raise, I'm going to go to shoulder height only and not over. So I'm going to raise off to the side up to shoulder height and return back to starting position. Now, some people, when they go to raise, they raise directly off to the side. Now, this can cause a little tightness in the traps, possibly your shoulders. So I always tell people, see your wrist when you're raising to the side. This will take a little less pain. If that still bothers you because you've had a shoulder injury, I always tell patients, turn your thumbs up. And it works with a lot of exercises, not just this one. So my thumbs are going to raise upward. It's going to take pain off of my shoulders and less in my joint. And just raising up to the side and slowly back down. Now it can be hard as I'm trying to hold my core in and move both hands at the same time. So like I said, 1 at a time. Off to the side, thumbs up. That's okay for you. Engage the whole shoulder off to the side. And it's okay if you have a slight bend in the elbow. So if that feels comfortable, that's not wrong, but nice and controlled on the way up and on the way down.